look, but you can't touch.
I'm free weapon.
To find
I'm
a
going
kitty
mining.
and harass
Maybe
them or become their friend. Let's go. Is anyone smaller?
I want.
Let's see in this server. There's a kitty. You have that.
You wanna play minigame?
No, this is not
I'm
correct.
talking to people.
No.
You want a sick?
Another code.
Such a bitch ass.
Oh. Is anyone a kitty here? Let's see.
But what did you buy? A bat
And you.
my God.
People could be
for the mini bag. You buy a mini backpack from me.
Oh, no kitty.
Only if you give me some mushroom.
Kitty. These are rare now. Kitty. Kitty. Sorry, guys. I really want to find the kitty. Ooh, oh,
It has pink.
I don't need to spoil it.
It's everything.
let's see here.
You did good. Very good. Does it have any? Let's see. I won't kill you, I promise. Does it have any? Evil, that was broccoli inside. Bro, I'm reporting that.
No
I
kitty.
didn't kill you. What? It wasn't me who killed you.
I'm starting to get really annoyed. Shimmy bow and apple. Oh,
Open it and empty it. Can someone give me RPG ammo?
I got you.
Give me that. Who wants a big bag?
Yeah,
Kevin RPG. Who wants a cross-country bag? RPG ammo?
I'm not giving you no more.
I don't own that.
I'm getting annoyed now. Maybe I should just buy the kitty. I can't do that. Wait, a tiger. Can't.
Nah, bro.
Guess has conduct.
Nah, don't even get me now. Nah, that's not even funny. That's not even funny. Bro, give me my stuff now. Give me my stuff, bro. Give me my
Oh my gosh, Tiger! I love your outfit.
I'm not fucking stupid, buddy.
I'm obsessed
Bro,
with
I
it.
don't share money.
It's
Thank you
drippy.
very much. Thank you.
You see my money on my watch?
Can I
That
friend
is to say 10 mil.
Okay.
Everybody, the money on my watch used to say 10 mil, but I spent it all on shopping.
I'm Andino31.
Oh, then my fan coming kid asked me.
I
spent
friended you.
all my
Let's
money.
Okay.
And I did it.
Good.
And then
Now I'm gonna leave the server to find more cats to friend. Thank you for being nice. Bye. You're in a YouTube video, by the way.
Really? You want to do it?
I'm in a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Who wants to
Is
make
that okay?
50K?
Yeah,
Who wants to make
Okay.
50K and 50 million?
What's your YouTube channel?
Crazy cat people. No spaces. Look it up and subscribe. Peace out.
Alright, I will.
Peace out.
You got me into animal community. I want you to
Those little jokers. They gotta be kidding me.
Just play with the dabs.
Alright, I friended you. I want Debs. I want Debs.
No.
I have Yabba Dabba Doo.
I want Debs.
No one kitty.
Is it I?
Kuna girl. Kuna girl. Oh. Wait.
Oh!
No, that's okay. I guess we can finish that. I love your outfit, doggy. I like your outfit.
Well, where's fucking Lukey? You're a pussy.
I like your outfit, dog. Doggy. Doggy, I like your outfit.
Yes!
Dog.
What the heck?
Doggy, I like your outfit.
I'll trade this for a revolver.
Wait, when I raid on your back.
Hello? Wait,
Who just
Who here is nuking?
Okay, you're going
I'll
yeah,
trade this for a revolver.
Mm.
very, very cheap. You're so gay.
Why is it?
They're just saying you're getting banned to the Discord.
Why?
Wait, what's that?
Discord? Because you said the F word and the N word, so.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I've only found one real cat. Do you know how sad that is?
Yeah, but who has the code? Who here has the code for it? I do not know.
Yeah.
Go on your go on.
Please.
What's the code? What's the code? Yeah,
The people hate
Hey,
kids.
hey guys, who wanna get this? Guys,
I'm sorry, guys. This is taking so long, and I'll beat it too. Wait.
what's the trick? I used it for like 1 minute. For me, I guess.
yo, do you wanna do that?
Who's the unknown? Who's the unknown?
Whoever gives me a grappler gets that sword.
You wanna do that? You wanna do that?
You can have the sword, please. I'm just You have to give me a grappler. You have to give me a
Has everyone
I
moved?
have to take that. No.
Yeah.
Die.
No, whoever gives me a grappler
Little fire.
gets
gets.
Wait, yo, can I have a grappler? Can I have a
I
grappler?
ain't giving you my grappler, so see,
Yeah.
I have one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have you added. That's
Is
not.
anyone a cat here?
Keep that your mama. Keep you two added. Okay. Oh, join me.
Cat!
Okay.
Cat! Cat! I love your outfit!
Kill me, right? Kill me. Kill me already.
I love your outfit! You're in a YouTube video right now!
Hey.
I
I love you! Do you want to be friends? I'll friend you.
Sure.
If you want to go to mines, there will be no killing.
Oh.
Among Us. Just join code silly to go to mines and reach strength.
Why did you leave me?
What?
Cat!
Okay, cool, Mark.
Why'd you leave me?
If anybody wants to
Oh, no, I didn't leave you. I need to get
Among
this.
Us,
I need to get these two items.
join code
You can
silly.
look Crowbar,
You can also go to space.
Among Us, Skibbity. Among Us.
That's a bit sussy.
Sussy Bata.
Flashbang. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna have to go over here. That's Flash.
Among Us. Among Us, help me. Among Us, help me. Among Us. Among Us, help me. Help me. I'm stuck in lava.
Come back!
Ow! Who's trying to hit me?
I'm not. I don't have anything.
Bang butt flash grenade.
Kitty, come back. We gotta friend each other.
Time! It's just that he doesn't get his chingling out of here. I'm gonna get him. Let me get him. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hut! Oh, come on.
No!
Right there.
No! Kitty! Kitty! Sorry this episode is so long and useless. So guys, I think this cat...
I'm coming for you, Black.
Cat, come here! We gotta friend each other now!
Yo, we will
What's that?
number you.
Just give me a sec. Whoa!
We will number you.
I don't want to say. Not today, not ever.
1 second.
Do I have a backpack on? Come here. Find each other now. I'm filming a YouTube video right now.
Fine, let me find you right now. I was just trying to kill Black because he's annoying.
Oh, yeah.
It's someone.
You've got bad stuff anyways.
Hi. Let's go. Ooh, a revolver. Does it have it?
I said donations.
Oh.
I said donations. No donations to the poor. You're very mean. You're very mean to the poor.
Come on! other. Banana, get back here.
Hello.
Banana,
Gotta go.
banana. We gotta friend each other. Let's friend each other.
Huh?
Friend each other now.
That's all I have. That's all I have.
Oh,
That's all I have. That's all I
come
have.
on, let's friend each other.
No, that's all I have. That's all I have.
Cat. Let's friend each
All right,
other.
let's go. Give me my bag. Give me my bag.
Well,
back.
okay,
Give me my bag
I'll
back.
friend you right now. My name is Andino31.
That's all you have. That's my bag. And Dina's 71.
31, Andino31.
And Dino.
31.
Got ya.
Okay. Thank you, bye. Wait, say hi to the subscribers.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, bye.
Look.
Just one more guy. Let's go.
D. E.
You killed the dog.
Where's the D?
Cat. Is there a cat? Come here, cats.
What?
Can we friend each other?
A quartermaster
Do
guy.
it in a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Freaking crow mask guy.
put
Wait, my
email.
dick's stupid. He's getting mad.
What?
E.
Yeah, the crow.
Yeah.
Is in? I think he's in mine still.
Cat, we gotta friend each other. Friend each
He's
other.
getting mad because I stole
Cat,
small
come here, come
broccoli.
here.
No, you. Where did you
Say
get
your
the
present.
Cat, can we friend each
I
other?
want small broccoli.
Wait.
Hey, you.
I
Hey,
need
you.
it on
Get
YouTube
over
on the
here.
big side.
Blue, let's friend each other.
I have no time to eat broccoli.
Cat, let's friend each other.
Red, where are you?
Stupid.
Cat, friend each other.
Red, no.
Cat.
Hold your
Blue,
presents, buddy.
let's friend each
What are you
other.
doing? Hey, man.
Is it
Why do you
police
want me to
cops?
friend you?
Cause you're in a YouTube video, and I'm trying to friend all the cats I find.
Save them.
Okay, I'll friend you. My name is Andino31.
Kaboom.
Yo, wait, red, what is it?
Bad guy.
Okay.
See you later, guys.
You bad.
I don't want to stay Red Watch. Wherever you
Wait,
go,
what?
that's where we'll find.
No, give me that.
Okay, guys. I think it's safe to stay. Well, we made enough cat friends, okay? So, peace out. And like Toasty would say, later.